Thank you very much, Ledan Sur, and magnificent reaction.
We started the night with 18 inspiring mutyas. 11 of them moved on to become semi-finalists. And we are now at the point of announcing the top 5 who will form this year's queen and her court.
So ladies, good luck, and here we go. This is in no particular order. You are part of the top 5 finalists. Mutya 15, Jessica Carbonell.
Joining the elite circle is Mutya 10, Sunshine Kabuat.
The third finalist is Mutya 14, Nicole Guminan.
The next finalist is Mutya 13, Candice Micaela de Guzman.
Now comes the most exciting part, Elma. To complete this batch of lucky ladies and gentlemen, is Mutya 17, Rhea Califas. Santiago City, your top 5 finalists. These 5 finalists are moments away from claiming their positions in the long history of Santiago City's beauty and pageantry, but not until they face the final task of the night.
Each finalist will answer a common question within 45 seconds. The stakes are now even higher, and there's no turning back now.
That is so true. So, without further ado, let's call in the first finalist, Mutya 15, Jessica Carbonell.
Hello, Jessica.
Hello.
Are you ready?
I'm a little bit excited and nervous.
I will read the question in English and Tagalog, and you can answer in any language you're comfortable, okay? So the final question is, I think we're not yet ready. So I'm gonna ask you, how are you feeling tonight that you're one of the top 5 finalists? You're the first pa na tinawag.
Well, I feel happy and excited at the same time na nakarating po ako sa top 5 and hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala.
Gustong-gusto ko yung sinabi ni Mayor kanina na sabi niya, isang pangarap ang matutupad ngayong gabi. Sobrang sarap pakinggan nun, Mayor. So, I think we're all ready. The final question is, a amidst all of the confusion and fear that the pandemic has brought, what is that one thing that makes you smile? Sa gitna ng lahat ng kaguluhan at pangamba dulot ng pandemya, anong isang bagay na nagpapangiti pa rin sa iyo?
Well, there are many various life lessons I've learned in these times of pandemic. That everything in our lives is temporary. That our safest place is home. That it is not how we spend time, but who we spend time with. And that our greatest refugee is God. And that's the reason why I still smile. And that to always have hope that we may able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you.
Thank you, Mutya 15. Now let's have Mutya 10.
Grabe, ito na yung tinatawag na make or break stage ng competition. Di ba, DJ?
I so agree with you, make or break talaga kasi nga dito talaga nakasalalay ang kanilang kahihinatnan, ano? Kanilang kapalaran. I so agree.
Pero alam mo, naniniwala ako na ang mga taga Santiago hindi lang magaganda, matatalino din.
Of course. Okay, I've got one question to throw at you, my dear. In as much as we have invited you to co-host with me, with yours truly here. Okay, and you yourself having been not only on the national stage, but also on the international stage, what advice would you give to candidates like them? Just very quickly.
Just enjoy the night. Ito na yung night na hinihintay nila. So just enjoy it.
Wow. More pieces of advice later, okay? Meanwhile, here's Mutya 10.
Hello, Mutyaten. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so grateful right now.
So this is your question. I will read it in English and Tagalog. Your question is, amidst all of the confusion and fear that the pandemic has brought, what is that one thing that makes you smile? Sa gitna ng lahat ng kaguluhan at pangamba dulot ng pandemya, anong isang bagay na nagpapangiti pa rin sa iyo?
This pandemic has suffered so much lives in our society, and I think that we can no longer afford to risk more. And I think that later on we would be able to unify in efforts to make a safer community. What makes me smile amidst this pandemic is after everything that our city has gone through, I've seen resilience. And I believe in the heart of Santiagueños, and I'm very grateful to be part of this city. Thank you.
Thank you, Mutya 10.
Talaga namang strong and resilient ang mga taga Santiago. Imagine anong oras na pero mga nanonood pa rin dito at nanonood sa Team Bahay.
So
diba?
true. Okay, I couldn't agree with you more. Obviously, a lot of people are watching from their homes and FB Live tayo ngayon kung hindi mo na itatanong. So, kitang-kita ang kagandahan mo. Emma,
Wow, thank you so much.
Are you guys ready for the next Mutya? Mutya 14.
Hello, Mutya 14. How are you?
Well, I'm overwhelmed po.
So here's your final question. I will read it in English and Filipino. It's up to you on where language you are comfortable to answer it, okay? The question is, amidst all of the confusion and fear that the pandemic has brought, what is that one thing that makes you smile? Sa gitna ng lahat ng kaguluhan at pangamba dulot ng pandemya, anong isang bagay na nagpapangiti pa rin sa iyo?
Well, the one thing that makes me smile is my family. This time of pandemic, I spent time with my family and I took time to cook for them and to laugh with them. And I think that family is love, and amidst pandemic, we must celebrate it. And family is love, and true love we overcome together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mutya 14.
Ikaw ba,
Going
DJ?
Okay.
Diba?
Ginulat mo
Anong-
naman ako.
Anong feeling na nanonood ka ngayon dito at nag-host ka, nakikita mo yung 18 na nagagandahang mutya ng Santiago?
Alam mo, ang pinakamasarap na feeling, no, sa mga sandaling ito ay ang panoorin ka ngayon sa stage kasama ko. Yun lang. Hindi, nagbibiro lamang ako. Siyempre, masayang-masaya ako that I'm sharing the stage with somebody like you, okay, who is now internationally known, by the way. And of course, with the rest of the candidates, okay, with all the candidates, I should say. How about a round of applause for my co-host, the beautiful Emma Tiglao. Now, let's have the next candidate, or mutya, finalist, of course, 13.
Hello, Mutya 13. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine po. So grateful.
So this is your question. I will read it in English and Filipino. It's up to you on what language you're gonna answer. Basta comfortable ka, okay? Your question is, amidst all of the confusion and fear that the pandemic has brought, what is that one thing that makes you smile? Sa gitna ng lahat ng kaguluhan at pangamba dulot ng pandemya, anong isang bagay na nagpapangiti pa rin sa iyo?
Life is hard, and because of the pandemic, it became harder. For me, even though we suffered too much death, too much people affected, and too much people who suffered grief, I am very much thankful and I am very happy every day that I wake up with my family complete. With my mom, with my dad, with my siblings, with my grandmother and my aunt, and that is something that I am forever thankful. And today, the one thing that I am very much thankful aside from that is I stand here in front of you as a mutya ng Santiago amidst pandemic. I am still here conquering the crown as I...
Thank you, Mutya 13.
DJ Lee, I just want to thank all the people of Santiago, Isabela for having us here, diba?
And on behalf of the people of Santiago City, my dear, I would like to say welcome, okay? Welcome to Santiago City.
And also thank you, Honorable City Mayor Engineer Salvador Tan, Joseph Salvador Tan.
Applause for our very supportive Mayor, Mayor Joseph Salvador Tan. You so deserve that, Mayor. Now let's have Mutya 17.
Hello, Mutya 17.
Hello po.
How are you?
I'm good po, and I'm a little bit nervous.
Just enjoy it. So I will read a question in English and Filipino. It's up to you on what language you're gonna answer it. Basta comfortable ka, okay? Your question is, amidst all of the confusion and fear that the pandemic has brought, what is that one thing that makes you smile? Sa gitna ng lahat ng kaguluhan at pangamba dulot ng pandemya, anong isang bagay na nagpapangiti pa rin sa iyo?
Amidst the pandemic, it gives me smile. Nagbibigay pa rin ng saya sa akin yung tiniturn ko yung negative things sa positive, because negative things, if we allow ourselves to turn those negative things into positive things, it makes us to be better in the future after this pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Mutya 17. So that's it, the culmination of the competition per se. It's now up to the judges to alter the fate of these ladies. They will take in everything they have seen and heard tonight, including this final look at our top 5 finalists.
Let's once again adore this inspiring